Hi, Kathy here from KathysKuteKreations with my daughter,
Sherry.
And today is an exciting day. We're going to be doing an unboxing of my favorite, one of my favorites, I should say, because I have a couple of favorite friends. So it is from Yvette. And for all of you new people, new YouTubers that have not seen an unboxing from Yvette, she does paper piecing. And I will put her link below because she has, let's show the box here. It's purple. So beautiful. She always wraps her stuff beautiful. Look at that. That is just gorgeous. And then every now and then she has sales where you can order a box full of goodies. You don't know what's in it. It just comes to you like that. You open it up and you get to see what it is.
Don't rip
and,
it, don't rip it.
Oh my God.
You ripped it.
I don't have a problem ripping it. Oh, look. Oh my gosh. Okay, so first off, we have a bag that has 2 spools of thread, and it looks like toffee. I love toffee, just to tell you. It's one of my favorite. Let's show the spools of thread. So the first spool is Wonderfill EF50.
It's too dark in here.
60 weight. It looks like it's, well, it looks like it's a white. I believe it is white. Yeah, it looks pretty white. See if you can read it. Let's see if I don't want to put it upside down. There we go. That way's not upside down. It's not going to focus though.
You want me to try to read it?
Camera. Oh, I think the print's too small, but you could try. And then the other is also Wonderfill. Decabob, it says.
Oh, no, I feel like I'm on top of the camera there.
112. I haven't seen either one of these. Now this is a cream. Looks like a bit of a cream color. I don't know if that's...
Yeah, I can't read it. I mean,
that's all right. Don't worry about it.
Sorry.
Okay, everybody wants to see the candy. Fatty Sundays. Oh, it's chocolate-covered pretzels. Ooh, with toffee. Milk chocolate and sweet toffee. I've never seen that before. Huh. Looks good. Okay, now we have the perfectly pieced project box. Okay. Special offer for project box buyers, which is on the back, so we won't show you that. She said that she wanted to design a quilt that took her love of foundation paper piecing, paired it with traditional piecing, and showcased in an absolute yummy fabric collection, which is Adele in Spring. Eternal Bloom is a perfectly square lap quilt that will feature prominently in your living room space, ready to warm you on chilly nights. Please consider posting your pics, because you know she has you can put the pics on her site. She's got don't forget your hashtag. So let me just show you here. Right there. I'm going to do a hashtag. This way people will see them. Okay. And so let's just go ahead and show what all is in the box. Okay. So now, you know, I don't like the color green, but
I knew it was coming.
I just got to do a little premise, I guess is what it's called.
I like it.
Okay. So used to be every green I saw looked the same to me, okay? But now I've seen more and more different greens. For example, that, what was the project that we just made for Fort Worth Fabric Studio? Everybody's hollering about it. I can't even think of the name of it. This is crazy. Do you remember it?
I didn't make it.
I know you didn't make it. Well, you know what I'm talking about if you follow my channel. And I liked almost all of those greens because they were different kind of greens. The green that I really do not care for is the avocado green. That's how I ended up disliking green. I mean, I used to like it fine until my mother made all the appliances in the house that avocado green back in the 70s.
Oh, but that was nice.
That was disgusting. But
okay.
Anywho. Now
it's vintage and it's all back.
And it's different. Like, I like this green right here. Look at the way this green is on that fabric.
Isn't that considered gingham?
Yep. And that is adorable.
Yes.
That is the right, correct color right there. That's some beautiful green. This green, kind of on the border there, because it's almost too dark. But it is, it's better in the light.
Yeah. I'm trying to get it in the light.
Yeah.
There you go.
It's really nice there in the camera. That's a pretty green.
Yeah, it's very pretty. I like it.
think
But
it's
it
in the
goes
shadow
very
that's-
well with the gingham also, though. So
Yes, it
you
does.
see it matches and it'll look really good together.
And then she's got, I'm going to call
Paisley?
that lavender.
Oh. Paisley print, right?
No, that's not Paisley.
That's not Paisley?
Print. No. And you all will agree this is not Paisley.
I'm
I'll
sorry.
have to show you Paisley, but this is not it, honey. Okay? There you go. So, and that's a
Can we
lilac
agree it's pretty?
color. Okay,
And
yep.
the same print on. Go ahead and say the
Sort of
color
a-
because I would have said mint green, but
That's a good color, mint green. Yeah,
we got
got a little hint of.
some kind of
blue
a
in it.
shadow. Isn't that weird? It looks like Batman.
It's the camera shadow, actually. Did you see it was the shape of the camera?
No, it's
Yeah, look. Batman. No, this is really,
oh,
really
you go
pretty.
ahead. That one's nice too.
Look at this. And that's got a light,
This looks like
sort
all
of a
spring
green
colors.
yellow in the background. Isn't that pretty? That is gorgeous.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That is really, really nice. Okay, and
All
then,
right, and then I've got the
white on white.
white
and
on
it's-
white.
And it's like the green on green.
It's Batman.
Batman.
And it looks really. It shows up really well. Okay, that.
Yeah, well, it's still going to show that. That's a
Ooh,
camera
okay.
thing. And then this makes me think of, not the color now, but the little circles make me think of kiwis. That's what that makes me think of, is a little
Yes.
kiwi. When you cut your kiwi, it looks like that with all those little bitty black seeds in it. And that's sort of a, what would you call that color? A salmon color, sort of? Yeah,
Yes.
sort of like a salmon. And then I love the way that she does her patterns because she always does it in a book, which I think is just fantastic. And another really good thing I like about Yvette is that she gives you the paper piecing, and it's right here in the package, and then it's also in the book. So if you decide to make it again, you know, because if you're like me and you got more than one person to make something for, and you got to have multiples.
Are you talking about me?
Let me see.
Like,
Oh gosh. Let's see, I'm all thumbs now. All right, so where is it? Because I know it's got to be in here.
what you looking for?
I was looking for that paper right there. There it is, right at the front.
On the front.
Okay,
Yeah.
so here at the front is that exact paper. So this way you can make copies of it with your printer. Okay? That darn camera is annoying. That is totally annoying.
Why is it showing up today? I don't
beats the
remember
heck
seeing
out
it
of me.
any other day.
I don't know. You want to flip the light on and see if that'll help? I shall do that. Let's see
Oh.
if that helped.
I don't
That's
know.
about the blindness here.
Mm-hmm.
No,
Is
you
that
can
better?
still see it. I can still see it.
Oh, you.
But
maybe
anyway, I don't
because
know
you
what's
raised
going
it a
on.
little bit. I don't
No,
know.
we've always got it raised.
Did you always
but
have
anyway.
the other lights on? I thought you only had one light on back
Yep.
there.
You want me to go shut all the lights off? Okay.
We'll be in the dark then, and then they can't see anything.
And here's some more. Okay, so it's called Eternal Bloom. It's a lap quilt. It's going to measure 67 by 67. I guess I should show the picture of it. It's going to look like that.
It's very
Isn't that
nice.
pretty?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. That makes me think of pinwheels, the kind that you buy, the little 3D pinwheels that you blow on for the kids, and you usually set them out in your yard. They got the little handle on them, and then when the wind catches them, it spins them. That's what that looks like, more of a like that than just your regular pinwheel. That's pretty neat.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Yvette, this is just gorgeous. You've outdone yourself. Oh my gosh, I just can't believe all the things that this girl can create. Darn. What that mind can do. Okay, everybody, I hope you create this quilt because it's going to be darling. Now, I don't, you can look on her Facebook because somebody's going to make it. They make it like that. I don't have time to make it right offhand.
I say as soon as he gets the box, it's like the next day it's done. It's up.
Yeah.
It's uploaded.
Exactly. I used to be like that before I worked and before I had a YouTube channel. I had all the time in the world, and when something came out, I had it created and done that day. It's like I just couldn't wait to get it done.
Not I.
So thanks, not you. Thanks again, Yvette, for everything. And I'll lay it down here on the table for everybody to see. Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye.
Alrighty, here is everything, and hopefully I won't get any light from that overhead on here. Okay, let's just move a couple of things here. I feel like we don't get to see it. There we go. That's the paper. There we go. Here's all of our thread. Here's all of our fabrics. Let's put these two up here. Those are some pretty fabrics. Okay. And so, of course, Sherry pointed out the expiration date on these, so we're going to have to hurry up and eat these right now because they're expired this month. But don't tell anybody. We won't tell Megan. Do we have to share with Megan? We don't have to. She shook her head. No, we don't have to share with Megan. I don't think Megan cares for it anyway. Okay, there is everything that's in the box. Thank you very much, Yvette. That is beautiful. That thing right there is going to be gorgeous. I'm telling you right now. That is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, just thinking about all these fabrics that make it. Gorgeous. Okay, everybody, thank you very much for watching. There's the name of Yvette. I wonder if she got it. Nope, she doesn't. Okay, so if I'd have thought about it, I could have printed up real quick all her information, but I'll put it at the tail end of this video so that you all have it. I'll also put it in the description so you can check out her link, and if you'd like to join, she had 50% off for a while there to join. I don't know if that's still ongoing, but you can go over to her Facebook and join it too. So I'll put all that information below so that you can click on it and find out about it if you're interested. If you've never done any kind of paper piecing, she is great for beginners that don't know anything about it. She is really good at explaining all the directions on how to get yourself started so that you feel confident in doing it from beginning to end. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye, everybody.